you just love it when someone hits your car while you're parked? Yeah. I called them because they left the number and they didn't call me back. So, yeah. Weird. I think this is the sketchiest thing I've done. My door panel's gone. There's no fender, no bumper. My headlight's falling out, so I only really have one of them. And the alignment is, and now I literally can't see anymore. My headlights are aligned too far down for me to see because the bumper got fucked. So, yeah. When someone fucks you, fuck them bad, bitch. Alright guys, now that I can see it in the light, none of these tack welds are broken over there. Over here, this needs to be hammered out, this pushed back, and this hammered flat. I mean, this was already bashed in a little bit because it's been hit here. There's a little bit of a warp here, but again, knock that back. I need to weld that crack. And if we go to the other side, it didn't crack over here. So I can probably just push it up with like a jack or something and it should be okay. Should it be down? Probably. Will it be down? Fuck no, I've already started. Last night I was hammering this. Just got to get it a little bit straighter. It's still kind of fucked, but you know, we'll get it. Then I got to get this popped out. Most of this, I thought this was cracking last night. It's just, you know, gunk buildup. I'm not sure what that hole is down there, but I'll just weld it all up. It'll be all right. For a car that's been totaled 3 times right there, it actually turned out pretty good. I mean, this is just temporary stuff because it's what I had lying around. Alright guys, just a little Prelude update. After finishing the rebuild of this side of the car, I'm now working on this side. This door is almost ready to be put in place of this one. The quarter panel to cut out is right back here. And the only thing I'm doing right now is hammering the frame completely straight. This is probably as straight as I'm gonna get it, to be honest, but with the bumper in place, the headlight aligns, and I put a fender here. Both of these bolts align. So really, it's all coming together. Just gotta... There we go. These bolts always take a lot of force to get off. Door is off. All I'm trying to do right now is get at that little tiny clip right there in the back. And then unbolt the door handle, swap it over to that door, because I finally got the broken piece out, and put that door on here. I can say with 100% honesty that getting this freaking door handle out is definitely my least favorite part about this. Well, I said fuck it since this door is scrap, and I just drilled a 1/2-inch hole to take out that screw. So, screw is out, so is that piece, and it is intact. So now we can take the door handle out. Now that we have the screw out, much easier it is to get this door handle out. Well, maybe not super easy, I still gotta get it around this piece, but at least I'm not blocked on the bottom anymore. There we go. So now we just... Oh, come on, don't do this to me. Actually, how broken is my door handle? I don't know. All I know is that it's cracking on the top. Here, I'll pull this out and come back. Finally got it, so now you can just unscrew it. Almost. This, oh shit. Just my luck. Just broke my fucking door handle. That'll be good enough. I just have to be careful with it. Successfully got the piece I needed out of this door. And the cool thing about this is that now I can just screw it in while it's out. I'm gonna route it out through the outside this time because honestly, there's no way I'm gonna be able to route this through the inside. And then I can put this door back together actually and put it back on. That'd be cool to do one day. The other side took me forever. I mean, this door's been sitting apart for like 3 weeks now just because I haven't been able to work on it. So yeah, that's exciting. Well guys, if y'all might have been able to notice by no door here, we got it mounted. And this window only rolls to about halfway down, but the other window doesn't even work. So I guess that's slightly better. That happened when we were getting on off of this. However, there's no actual dent in it. So I'll be able to live with it. There's 2 tiny little dents, one there and there's one over here. I feel like I could smooth them out with primer though, which should be good. I got most of this straight. It's probably as straight as it's gonna get, to be honest. So yeah, this is starting to come together. I did get the bumper a little bit better, but not much. Here's the rest of it. For those of y'all that were wondering, I do actually have a quarter panel cut out. That is what it is back there, and it should be able to fit right on top of this. And then, well, I'll cut that out, I guess. Have someone weld a new one. When I have them welded, I'll also have them weld the bumper properly. And then, yeah, it'll look way better. Then I can start sanding, repaint. I'm excited. Also, what I'm gonna do with this door and the other door I took off, take the window motors out, disassemble them. Since this window has the same problem that one did, I'm gonna see if I can figure it out on this one so that I can fix it on that one, because that'd be really good. The only other thing I can come up with is the fact that these things were sitting outside for like months on end. So, you know, it's not great. Water probably got in, corroded some stuff, and that's probably why this window motor doesn't work. So yeah. Anyways, part 4 will come later. I don't know when, but I'm getting around to it. And I guess that will be the quarter panel, or maybe finishing that. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Peace.